Make a great choice today with
the 2023 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.